James Bond takes Donald Trump to a secret location to get in the permanent and desires. James Bond creates a special tan instrument injects it into Donald's body. Everything looks good and Donald is happy. Suddenly, they hear a loud noise and a giant mud monster appears. James Bond recognizes the mud monster as one of his old enemies and Donald is terrified. The mud monster throws a giant butter knife at them. James Bond quickly grabs it and cuts the monster's arm off. The mud monster then yells and runs away. Donald is relieved but James Bond is still suspicious and tells Donald to stay put while he investigates. As James Bond is investigating, Donald decides to explore and finds a washing machine filled with clowns. Donald decides to take a closer look and one of the clowns suddenly bites him. Donald is outraged and immediately grabs a nearby gun, shooting and killing the clown. James Bond returns to find Donald with the gun in his hand and the dead clown on the ground. James Bond is shocked and angry, as the clown was one of his old friends. James Bond realizes that Donald didn't understand the situation and decides to forgive him. They both leave the secret location and Donald is now equipped with his permanent tan. They lived happily ever after.